Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial. So for today's video, I will be showing you guys this Chera bracelet here. So this was designed by me and I posted it a few days ago or last week, I don't remember. But yeah, this is a very beautiful design, my opinion, and I see that a lot of you guys like it. So here I am making a tutorial for it. This is Chera Bracelet. I'll put the link of my Instagram account in my description box below in case you guys want to check it out. I can't talk now, so I'm really sorry. So yeah, to make this bracelet you will need a hook. I'm going to be using this double-ended hook here, and shout out to my sister who bought me this hook here. This is the Addy hook. She told me that the Loom hook is not available on Amazon, so this is what she bought for me. Thank you so much, my sister. I'm sure she will see this video when it's uploaded. So yeah, thank you so much, and sorry for the loud noises, guys. And yeah, you will need a C-clip, of course, and some pins. And for the color, I'm going to be using the exact same color combinations with this one for today's video, so it will be easier for you guys to follow. Okay, so this is the electric purple and this is the pearl pink here. It's probably not really different. I don't know if you guys can see the difference between these two colors here, but yeah, it's a different color. And then this is the sweet pink, and this is the Persian white. So those are the colors that I'm going to be using. Okay, let's just get started. First, you want to grab your first color, or the electric purple here. So remember, I'm going to be using the exact same color combination with this one, so yeah. So I'm grabbing my electric purple first. Okay, take your first color, make a cap pin on your hook like so, and then grab the same color, pull it through the cap pin and close. And then you want to grab the Persian white, this, pull your Persian white through both loops and pick up those two loops back onto your hook. Okay, make sure not to pull your Persian white because it's not secure at all. Next, what you want to do is rearrange this second loop over the first loop like so, and then you want to drop this Persian white or the second loop over the hook like so. Then what you want to do is slide it down or flip it, so we can work on this side now. So I'm just gonna flip it so it will be faster. Okay, you should have something like this on your hook now. Okay, now grab your next color, which is the pearl pink. Pull it through the first two loops and then pick up the Persian white and close. Hold on, as you can see that my Persian white is going out of its position. Just make sure that your Persian white stay like this, not going off like that. Okay, you should have this on your hook now, and you want to fold this first loop over the second loop or over the Persian white like so, and then grab your next color, which is this pink for me. Then you want to pull it through the first two loops and again pick up just the Persian white and close. And then you want to fold this again. Okay, fold this first loop over the second loop, and then you want to grab your electric purple again, which is we're going to back to the first color here, and then you want to pull it through everything. And then you want to reclaim or pick up this Persian white and close. Okay, now after you have this on your hook, grab your Persian white, and then pull it through everything. As you can see, my Persian white is not staying where it should stay. It should be the second loop here from the left, but it's okay. After you pull it through everything, you want to pick up the first loop, and then you want to use the tip of your hook to move this first Persian white over this electric purple, and then you want to pick up the electric purple and close. So this is what you should have on your hook now. And then what you want to do is to rearrange this second loop over the Persian white. So we can drop this second loop or the Persian white over the hook, like so. Then you want to pull this right side of the Persian white. Okay. And you probably want to do some fixing after you've done a section. Okay, there you have the first section of the Chera bracelet. Okay, so slide it down again so we can work on this other side now. Okay, grab your next color, which is purple pink for me. Pull it through the first two loops, pick up the Persian white, close, and don't forget to fold this so the Persian white should be on the very left side. Okay, after you've done this, grab your next color, which is this pink here for me, then pull it through the first two loops, and then pick up the Persian white again and close. And then don't forget to fold it so the Persian white should be the very left side, should be on the very left now. Okay, like so. And after you have 5 loops on your hook now, you should grab your back to the first color, which is electric purple for me. You want to pull it through everything, and then pick up these Persian white and close. Okay, again, after you done this, you want to grab your Persian white again, and then pull it through everything on your hook. Okay, and then pick up the 2 electric purple, like so. And after you have this on your hook, you can rearrange this second loop over the first loop, so we can drop this Persian white over the hook, like so. Then don't forget to pull this, like so. Okay, and if you wanna do some fixing, you can do it now. Okay, there we have the second section of the Chera bracelet. And again, we are going to work on the opposite side now. Okay, I'm grabbing my next color, which is pearl pink, and I'm going to pull it through the first two loops, and then pick up just the Persian white or the last loop and close, and don't forget to fold it. Okay, next color, pull it through the first two loops, pick up the last loop and close, then fold it, and then back to the first color again, pull it through everything. And sometimes what I like to do is to hold this Persian white with my thumb, so it will be easier to pick up later. Okay, after you pull this through everything, pick up the Persian white that you were holding before, and then close. Again, back to the Persian white. Oops, sorry. Pull your Persian white through all three loops, and then pick up the electric purple, which is the first and the third loop if it's stay in order, and close. Again, after you have 4 loops, you can rearrange this second loop now, and then you can drop this Persian white over the hook like so, and don't forget to pull this. Okay, then if you want to do some fixing here, okay, and I think it's not that hard to do, so I'm going to show you guys one last time. Slide it down to the other end. Okay, grab your next color, which is pearl pink for me. Pull it through the first 2 loops, pick up the Persian white and close, fold it over the Persian white, so the Persian white should be on the very left side now. Grab your next color, pull it through the first 2 loops, pick up the Persian white again and close, and don't forget to fold it. And we're going to grab the first color again, which is the electric purple for me. Grab your next color, pull it through everything on your hook, and then pick up the Persian white and close. Okay, so after this you should loop your Persian white, and then slide it down and do the other side, and then back to your pearl pink, and so on. So like I said, this is the last section that I'll be showing you guys, so I'm going to show you guys how to close it. So to close it off, just stop right before you loop your next Persian white, and as you can see here, so you should close it with just 2 loops of your first color here. So you were having this Persian white on your hook and you want to drop it, so it should be just your electric purple on your hook now. And then you can attach your ciclet, and of course you guys continue to make yours as long enough as you want to, again, I'm going to close mine here.